Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I am the third member from Team Tripoli and I am the online member. This semester my task was to work on getting the code working for our desk lamp, and so since I've been doing that, I have the hardware with me in order to test it out and make sure everything's working. So I will go ahead and run through a demonstration and walk you through how it's working. Let me point you down towards the hardware here. Alright, so here is the Arduino. We have the Arduino board that's controlling our microcontroller. Kind of hard to see, but there is the Bluetooth module, which is the Bluefruit Bluetooth, and that's made by the same company that makes the NeoPixel lights, so they are designed to communicate with each other pretty well, and that's helpful. So here we go. Right here we have the 470 ohm resistor, and what this is it's our data pin coming from the board and feeding into the NeoPixels, the LEDs. We have this so that way we don't get a sudden burst of voltage and end up frying our LEDs. So we have that hooked up to the data input, and then we have our power cords running to the potentiometer, which controls our voltage, and that allows us to dim it if we would like to, as well as turn it off completely. So with that being said, I will go ahead and test out a couple of modes we have. We also have a 8-mode rotary switch, but that needs to be soldered to wires in the board, and I haven't done that yet, so I don't have that. What I've been doing is just grounding out each mode as if it was actually connected to a switch. So as you can see, let me get out the way here, I will ground out. This is simulating that we're in our first mode for the rotary switch, and that just turns the light on. We have that green. So this will simulate switching the mode to the next rotary dial, which is a white. I have everything dimmed right now for the sake of testing it out. I don't want to go blind, but it gets much brighter. And this one is blue. And then we also have a mode that is designated just for the Bluetooth. So if we connect that, and then I will find the app, which is an Adafruit app, which also communicates pretty well with the NeoPixel LEDs. So they already have a color picker app for us. So all I have to do is find the RGB color picker, which basically just sends the data over to the Bluetooth and then to the through the board into the NeoPixel LEDs. So let's give this a test. Let's go with green. So you can see I move the color over to the color I desire, and then I send it, and it'll change the LEDs. So it does the color as well as you can dim it from here as well. So if you there's another slide bar that'll allow us to bring down the intensity as well as make it full bright white. Again, I have the code dimming all of these LEDs so I don't go blind, but it is pretty bright. So that is a short example of what we've been working on. There are a few more modes that we still have in work, but we are nearly finished. So as soon as that gets done, we will upload it to the board, and then from there we can move on to putting all of this good stuff into a physical design, which is the lamp that we've been working on.